okay selling these guys 5 AKs?
Yeah, Nate, he just hangs out with these survivalist cats. Bunch of crazy old guys playing, I don't know, capture the flag or something. I want to thank you for peeling a few free so I could let this happen.
No problem, Piney.
Those Russians make a hell of a gun, I'll give them that.
Yeah. Hey. Looks like you're about 5,000 light.
I thought we were getting a family discount.
You are. 10,000.
I know damn well these guns go for $1,000 on the street.
When was the last time you were on the street, Junior?
Russ, we had a deal. Give the man his goddamn money.
Pay him.
Yeah, sorry. Hey, thanks, Piney. I'll be seeing you.
Yeah, Nate. Hey, you take it easy, brother.
How'd this morning go?
Jarheads were dicks, but made Piney happy. I think it's cool.
Any tales?
Nah. Double back 3 times. No one followed us. Oh, looks like the rest of the AKs are here.
Well, the Niners. Sure Leroy will be thrilled his new Russian firepower's here a day early.
Yep.
Hey, I'm looking for Good Shepherd Junior High School. My grandson's in a play, and I can't find it. It's supposed to be out here on County 18 somewhere.
You missed it. It's about 6 miles back.
Over there?
Don't you move.
Don't move.
Easy, easy. Hey, open the back. Get Gray's son out of the van.
Stay still.
Hold it right there. Stand ready.
Don't move! Don't move!
Right through. Come on. This way. Watch yourself. Move, move. Let's go.